Come on, class. What's the answer?
No idea.
Fine, I'll do it myself.
At last.
Pay attention.
Let's go. Stay low. We need to get to the door. Whoa!
Huh?
Where are we?
It's a secret room.
You mean our secret room!
Nice! Let's tidy it up. Whoa, there's a lot of junk.
Ugh, and a lot of spiders! Ugh!
It's a good start.
This is awesome! This is gonna be a lot of work.
But it'll be fun.
Hey! What are you doing? That's my seat!
I was here first.
Stop it! Wait.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Musical chairs!
You're going down!
Yeah, down on the seat. No! Ouch, my butt!
Now look what you've done!
Uh-oh!
Wow, that was lucky.
What just happened?
We can use this to make a chair! We just need some more cardboard. This is perfect! Get drawing!
Are you serious? I hope this works. I can use this plant pot as a template. And I already have a pen. I'll just draw around the plant pot. Then I'll stick these pens to it. It'll help speed things up. That's exactly what I want. That works so well. I still need to cut it. Careful, I don't want to ruin it now. I think that's it. I don't need this. This'll be the frame. Now this glue gun. I'll just go around the outside with the glue. Then I can stick this cardboard to it. I just need to give it a press to make it stick. Whoa, this is looking amazing. I need to put a second frame on the opposite side. And use some glue to hold it. It needs more frames in the middle. These cardboard squares will make perfect slats. This'll strengthen it. Okay, now I have to cover it. This is the easy part. And this foam will give it padding. We want it to be comfortable. And this blanket will act as a cover. It's so soft. This'll add some finishing touches. I'm actually impressed. I should do this for a living. Whew. I need a rest.
Not so fast! I want to try it out! It was my idea after all. There's still a lot to do.
Ooh, what's this?
My drink's finished. Do we have a table? Meh, I'll just leave it here.
This looks like a good read. Where did that come from? It's stuck on my shoe! Get it off! Look at it go!
I have an idea!
Let's get to work. Thanks. It's time to start drilling. The librarian is gonna be so mad about this. I've drilled a hole in the book. I'll put this to one side. Look at this. This can be the base. I'll attach this pipe to it. It'll give us some height. Then I'll slide the books onto it. I'll arrange them in a spiral. Then I'll add another piece of wood to the top. Now we have a table.
Hey, it works!
We need some decorations. It looks pretty good, huh? Hey, Lexi! I found a game!
And I found a plant! We need a little nature in this room.
Come on, let's play!
It's not really my thing.
Aw, you're mean. I'm bored. Oh, look at that! I want them! I challenge you to a duel!
Don't point that thing at me!
Come on, it'll be fun!
Why not? Take that!
Oh, you're good! No mercy! Where did my noodle go?
That's it on the floor. Look at all these pieces. I wonder. I think we could use these.
Sounds good.
We'll arrange the foam pieces in a row. Then we'll work our way down, sticking them together, until we've made a rug. I'll put it right here.
I love it. It feels so soft. Maybe now we could play?
Set it up.
Woohoo!
Wow, this book is amazing.
Check out this cool rainbow. Oh, what's this? Fairy lights? Cool! Hey, Lexi!
Let's get creative.
You hold that.
It's pretty long.
Gotcha!
Miles! No! What are you doing?
Ooh, let's light you up.
I feel so magical. Oh, I know! I'll start by brushing glue onto an inflated balloon. Then I'll add scraps of paper to it. I'll cover the whole balloon, but I've left a small part uncovered. This is important. I need to pop the balloon. I'll thread the fairy lights into the hole. Now we have our own lamp. But we're not finished. I'll take a paper cup and add a small dab of glue to it. I'll attach some string, and then start to wind it around the cup. I'll keep the string nice and tight, and a little glue to hold the other end in place. Next, I need a wooden skewer. This glue gun is coming in handy. I'll stick skewers to the inside of the cup, then top with the paper mache balloon. It looks just like a hot air balloon.
We can hang it from the ceiling.
And we need an adventure in the basket.
This is awesome!
I'm proud of that. It's so warm.
We need to cool down. Any ideas?
Turn on the fan.
It's not working. I think it's broken.
What are we gonna do now? Oh! I could make my own fan. A little fold here, one there. Ta-da!
Cool. I hope this helps. Oh yeah. That's good.
That's the stuff. Hang on. We could use this to decorate the wall.
Good idea.
Let's go.
I'll start by folding the paper. Fold, then flip it over, then fold again. Keep doing this all the way down. Keep the folds the same length. Give each fold a press to create a seam. Okay, that's looking good. Now we'll fold the paper in half. This creates a fan. Pinch it in the middle and use a stapler to hold it. This is exactly what we need. Now we can stick them together to make a wall decoration.
Careful.
We don't want to break it now.
It's so colorful.
Let's hang it on the wall. It can go here.
Wow! It looks so cozy.
We did an amazing job.
It's so colorful.
What a difference. I'm never leaving. Wait. What is going on in here? And who is this guy? What do we do? Get back to class. Now! I'm so disappointed. Disappointed that I never knew about this earlier. This is nice. Aw, cute. Aw.
We hope you liked our room makeover. You don't need a huge budget when it comes to interior design. Just a great imagination. What was your favorite part? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.